Hello guys, welcome all of you to Totally Review YouTube channel. This video is a review of the super affiliate system. If you like the video, do like and share. If you are on the channel for the first time, then subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get all our new video information, and the description of the video has a link to this course. Join from there. Brand new webinar. Your list hasn't seen this before. We have taken some cues from the best in the industry and created a very original webinar that your list will love. Easy methods to use to get started. Students are introduced to making money online through the book review plus Amazon method to earn the first affiliate commissions in as little as 2 hours of signing up. Big money opportunity. We have students who have gone on to make millions, even $1 million plus per month, applying the more advanced media buying trainings in the course. Zero hassle payouts. If you hate dealing with paperwork and accounting and slow pays, I don't blame you. Clickbank makes the whole payout process easy, frictionless, and painless. Works on cold traffic. We have been media buying cold traffic on YouTube and Facebook and running it for the past year. Trustworthiness. John Crestani maintains a weekly vlog so customers always know they have a face to put the program to, and a teacher that is dedicated to the success. 100% transparency. Clickbank makes the refund policy for customers very easy, so any problem customers that may be on your list won't cause you any strife or lost sleep. Smiley face. Instant recognition. John Crestani has shown video ads to literally tens of millions of people, 47,277,839 impressions to be exact. Over the past year, so many people will already recognize the presenter. Even brand new affiliates are having massive results with Facebook advertising. This offer is 100% Facebook compliant, and even first-time affiliates are having crazy results promoting SAS to cold traffic. Affiliates are seeing anywhere from 100 to 600% WA, and absolutely crushing this offer using our highly produced videos in their ads. Step-by-step promotional methods are provided further down below. Super Affiliate Systems training course has created 5-7 FIGURE marketers. The combination of paid advertising and affiliate marketing just plain works. Ad, pre-sell, offer. It's not a complicated formula, and the way we teach it has helped thousands of people do everything from create a respectable side income all the way to making 7 figures per year online and live their dream lives. A few of our top students are listed below. If you're looking to promote something that actually works, you've found it. Here is a small sample of the testimonial videos we have received. You'll notice something different here. We really care about our students. And by the way, we produce massive results for those who take action. This program has created 4 millionaires, and has helped thousands of people create their first sales online. The Super Affiliate System is a complete affiliate marketing training system that shows people how to create massively profitable affiliate campaigns. People, ads. We show people how to not only create engaging ads that work and give them working ads they can copy, paste, but we give away over $895 of free AD credits to those who sign up, so they can get started with zero risk. Place, PRESELL. We give away working both downloadable presale page templates, but we also have click and clone ClickFunnels templates that make it easy for first-time affiliates to get started with no programming knowledge necessary. Product offers. We guide students to the highest converting offers, the best affiliate networks, and give students access to high-ticket affiliate offers that produce recurring revenues. The core skills we focus on are the following: copywriting, data analysis, research. These skills form the backbone of all our teachings on how to effectively market products online. Students not only come out of our training with proven tactics and methods to making money online, but also will have developed core skills that will help them no matter where they ultimately end up in life. We also focus highly on mindset exercises with our students, by exposing them to visualization exercises, mindset exercises, goal-setting exercises, assistance to reduce shiny object syndrome, and more. We maintain exceptionally strong engagement with our students throughout the course of the 12-week training, by regularly sending them messages through email, text, voicemail, and push notifications. This is sales for the 21st century, and we truly are committed to our students' success, and engage with them every chance we get. The Super Affiliate System pays $460 per sale, 50%. 90% of commissions owed are paid automatically within 2 weeks of the closeout of the webinar promotion. Any remaining commissions are paid after 30 days per Clickbank. For the most aggressive paid ad affiliates that have a proven track record of producing results, you know who you are, contact me directly via Skype, and I can help ease cash flow concerns to help you scale to $10,000 plus per day even faster. If you would like to promote the super affiliate system, then 1. Sign up as an affiliate using the form on this page. 2. Create a Clickbank affiliate account if you don't have one. 3. Decide how you would like to promote us. Option number 1, live webinar. Contact John or Mike Balmaceda if and only if you have gotten 100 plus people on a live webinar before. Option number 2, paid traffic. Swipes are below. Once you've made a few sales using paid traffic, feel free to contact John Crestani for additional materials to help you scale. Step number 1, free traffic they can get immediately to earn the first $1 or $1,000 online so they can see real proof that affiliate marketing works, and stay motivated to continue through the entire course. Step number 2, how to scale free traffic by choosing a niche, and using the review blog strategy. No extra money needed. Step number 3, how to take their income to the moon by using paid advertising methods with Google AdWords, Facebook ads, native ads, and YouTube ads. YouTube has been a consistent dominator of a traffic source for us. I've been running YouTube ads internally at a 500% plus ROI for over a year now with near zero optimization. Targeting for YouTube ads. I suggest you target business opportunity-related channels that talk about Amazon e-com, affiliate marketing, crypto, self-improvement, stock trading, and other similar niches. This is the top-performing YouTube ad, although we see fairly equal results from a number of videos. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified when we publish new video reviews. Thanks for watching.